Welcome students. Now I am going to discuss about separation of mixtures. In previous class we have learnt about mixtures and types of mixtures. In mixtures means two or more elements and compounds mixed together. It has two types: homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures. In homogeneous mixtures means in which the components it cannot be seen separately. For example, salt solutions, sugar solutions, etc. And heterogeneous means it has, this is the example of homogeneous mixtures, this is the sugar solutions. Next one, heterogeneous mixtures. In heterogeneous means a components which can be seen separately. For example, a mixture of sugar and sand, a mixture of oil and water, a mixture of salt and sand. This is the example of sand and sugar. Students, you can see the substance that is known as heterogeneous mixtures. Next one, separation of mixtures. The first method, sublimation. In matter has three states of, first one solid, liquid and gas. In sublimation method, the solid substance when heated change directly from the solid to gaseous state. What do you mean by sublimation? When solid substance heated is directly changed into gaseous state. For example, iodine, camphor, ammonium chloride, mothball, etc. This is the example of camphor. It has solid substance. In the solid substance when heated is directly changed into gaseous state. This is the example of camphor. Students, you can see any other substance is there? No. So, solid substance of camphor is heated, is directly changed into gaseous state. That is known as sublimation. I do one activity. How to separate a mixture of ammonium chloride and sand. One china dish is placed over the funnel is the inverted direction. In the funnel is the end of the position is cotton plug is closed. In the funnel is inside placed over the asbestos sheet. One burner is placed down to the china dish. When china dish is heated, the pure volatile solid pass through the asbestos sheet of the funnel and condense on the inner side of the funnel. So it will give to the non-volatile impurities remain in the china dish. The formula NH4Cl, it is a ammonium chloride formula. It will give to hydrochloric acid plus ammonia. So, ammonium chloride, it is a formula for NH4Cl. It gives hydrochloric acid plus ammonia. In hydrochloric acid formula HCl. Ammonia formula NH3. I repeat, sublimation is the process of solid substance when heated is directly changed into gaseous state. For example, iodine, ammonium chloride, camphor, etc. These are the other example of sublimation method. Dry ice or solid carbon dioxide sublimes. Second one, snow and ice can sublime in winter season without melting. Mothballs sublimes. The carbon dioxide is a common example of a chemical compound that sublimates at atmospheric pressure. Dry ice at room temperature and 1 atmosphere temperature will turn into gaseous state. Next topic, centrifugation method. The centrifugation is the process by which fine insoluble solids from a solid to liquid state. It is one of the heterogeneous mixtures. Centrifugation is a technique used for the separation of particles from a solutions according to their size, shape, density, viscosity of the medium and rotor speed. The particles are suspended in a liquid medium and placed in a centrifuge tube. The tube is then placed in a rotor and spun at a defined speed. This is the structure of the centrifugation. This is the centrifugal machine. The first tube is mixing the particles from solid, liquid is mixtures. Then second tube, then separate to the solid substance in bottom of the tube, then liquid only upper of the tube. So a centrifuge method rotates at a very high speed, and being rotated by centrifugal force, the heavier solid particles move down and then lighter particles remains at the top. In this method is used in pathological laboratories to separate the blood cells from a blood sample. In the before tube, blood and then other components is mixing to the first tube. Then second tube, it separate the blood cells from a blood components. Then blood plasma and WBC is separate in the upper of the tube. This is the formula for using the centrifugal method. F equal to m omega squared r, where F is equal to intensity of the centrifugal force, m is equal to mass of the particle, omega is the angular velocity of rotation, and r is the distance of the particle from the axis of rotation. I repeat, F is equal to m omega squared r, where F is equal to intensity of the centrifugal force, m is the mass of the sedimenting particle, and omega is the angular velocity of rotation, and r is the distance of the particle from the axis of rotation. Next one, application of centrifugation, or it is used in diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine test. Second one, it is used in dairies and home to separate butter from the cream. Then third one, it is used in a washing machines to squeeze out water from wet cloths. I hope all are understood the topics. Thank you for listening, students.